Hi, I'm Ed Traversari. I teach in our Sports, Arts, Entertainment, and Music Business program. I'm a professor, and welcome to Point Park University. Because I worked for the concert promoter here, Caesar Angler in Pittsburgh, for probably about 35 years, I was doing production, booking bands, working with record labels, working with venues, doing everything that I really wanted to do. And really, that's what brought me to Point Park, because when I heard about their program some 18 years ago, I thought, it's time to give back. And fortunately, not only myself, but Melinda Calese, who also teaches in our department, we have had experience in the industry, so we're able to provide lots of stories, situations that might occur that sometime the kids might have to work with. And so it really has helped us in our teaching arrangements. When it comes to, like I say, internships or volunteer work or anything of that sort, we're so big on that because while we know we have to teach them in the classroom, it's very important to just get them out to see what's going on. I have an example where, we have a classroom at Stage AE, which is one of the nicest concert venues in Pittsburgh. And people say, how do you have a classroom at Stage AE? Because I want kids to see what it's like when you walk in there and maybe there's a band loading in or tearing down or putting sound up. That's something that I never saw until probably 3 or 4 years into working in my industry. This is a huge industry. If you ever go to a concert at 7:30 at night, understand that they started loading in about 7 o'clock in the morning. We're going to tell you what went on all day, not only what went on, but what are all those jobs, so that if you want to either go on the road or stay local, we can tell you what those jobs are, and hopefully you'll get your job that you really wanted to do maybe all your life.